It's so crystal clear, like what Terry says and what you say. It just makes sense. And it's sort of like the key that unlocked all the other puzzle pieces fall into place, and you can start to build up. You can see the
It's useful.
relations. It's super useful.
And it's transformative. I mean, I really genuinely think that in the last 6 months through this material, my mindset has changed. And it's enabled us to, I think, to recover from them.
So, George, may I check that with Laurie?
Please.
Because that's kind of the litmus test, right?
Right.
Laurie, do you feel like his mindset has changed?
It's a 180. And it was funny, our friend, a long time friend, was staying with us last night. And I don't know, we were joking around, but then and she was saying, "Oh, I really like the new George." And I said, "No, it's not the new George. It's the old George. This was the original George, the original model. And we've just got him back." And she's like, "Yeah, you're right. The old George is back." So, like, this is the guy that I fell in love with. This is the guy that I admire and respect and just want to share everything with.